Good morning. I think they like the turnips. Good morning, I'm Kathleen Pate, and this is my Alabama farm life. I'm out here in the vineyard this morning to give a real quick update. Hopefully it's not too windy and not too much vehicle traffic this morning. I got online last night and I went to Ison's Nursery. It's a nursery that's in Georgia that specializes in muscadines, and I ordered 4 plants. I got 2 red and 2 golden, and as soon as they get here, I'm going to get them into the ground immediately. I'm also going to tell on myself. I was watching Rick at La La Farms the other day, and these clamps, I had no idea what they were. And I was watching his video the other day on being organized, and the pictures that he showed were his drawers of his clamps, and I believe this is called a wire clamp. When I did my premiere of the vineyard, I just showed pictures and I had no clue what they were called. So thank you, Rick, for letting me know what these little things are called. These are wire clamps and they work great. Back here off the orchard is the original pear tree, and it is in full bloom. It is already getting leaves too. And this is very unfortunate because we are most likely to have another freeze, and we probably won't get any fruit off of this tree. Next to it is a younger pear tree, and it has some blossoms on it, but it has not bloomed yet, which is awesome. So if the frost will hold out, maybe we'll get a whole bunch of pears this year. It is way past time for me to pull out seeds and start planting, but I need to do some housekeeping first. I need to wash all these containers and get them ready for seeds. I'm out here in the greenhouse and it's way past time for me to get my seeds started. So I picked out some tomatoes, some onions, and some beans that I wanted to get started, and so that's what I'm going to do today. I went out and got my tweezers for my little seeds to make it a little bit easier. And I'm starting my seedlings off in potting soil because that's what I have. Use what you have. Don't let not having the proper tools or soil or containers or even seeds stop you from growing. Plant something. It doesn't matter what you have. Like I said, use what you have and plant. I had to step outside the greenhouse for a few minutes. It's over 80 degrees in there and it is warm. And of course I have a long sleeve t-shirt on. So what I have been doing is planting tomatoes. I've planted a lot more tomatoes than what we actually need. I'm kind of looking at the propagation rate, see how many seeds have come up. Last year when I planted, I did three seeds to a hole, and I ended up doing a lot of splitting, and Some of them survived and some of them didn't. So we're going to try it this way this time, see how it works out. My mother-in-law Eleanor has started her own seeds inside. She's using the starter pellets and her little dome, and she has the seeds also on a heating pad and then with a light on top of them. So we'll see how her seeds go. I'm thinking she might have better luck than I will. What I'm doing is I'm going to rely on the humidity of the greenhouse to get my seeds started, and we'll see how it works. I'm finished with my first set of seeds. These are just the first. I have to go through and find more containers, do a little washing. I've been going through these little green containers, and some of them are so rotted they're starting to flake off, so I have had to throw some away. And when I say flake off, I mean they're literally crumbling apart, so they're going in the garbage. I want to take a few minutes to acknowledge some shout outs that I've gotten in the last couple of days and some prizes that I have won recently. I am really excited. I'm feeling really blessed and really lucky right now. On Sunday, Ernie Hatmaker did a shout out for my channel this weekend. Thank you so much, Ernie. I really do appreciate it. She also called out Die Bullfrog 79, which is Uncle Al. He is actually a very funny man, so you probably want to go check out his video also. Ernie does some of the funniest shout outs, and I am still waiting for my Alabama jokes. So bring them on, Ernie. I am waiting for them. Next, I want to shout out Gail's Southern Living channel. She did her Monday shout outs today. Gail included me and a bunch of other great channels. Gail is also doing a giveaway challenge. She's going to be giving a $25 gift card to a lucky subscriber. But it ends today, so you need to get over to her channel and check it out, read all the rules, and join. Good luck. I also got up this morning and found out that I am a winner for a seed giveaway. The Tennessee Mountain Garden channel was giving away a seed giveaway, so of course I applied, followed all the rules, and I found out today that I won. Yay! However, the great thing about their channel is that everybody who subscribed and followed the rules of the giveaway won. I believe they said there was over 100 people who won seeds from their channel. Go check out their channel, and maybe you can be a part of the next seed giveaway, or maybe you'll just be inspired to grow something. My big win today was from Wild Ones Homestead. I am really excited about this. I won a year's free pass to the Homestead open house. I really can't believe it. A whole year of learning and experience. I am really overwhelmed and overjoyed by winning this. This is a program where over 20 homesteaders and farmers are sharing their experiences, and I can't wait to start learning. Thank you, Michelle. I really appreciate it. And for any of my subscribers or anyone viewing, go check out Michelle's channel, and maybe you too can become part of the Homestead Open House. I also want to do an update on my live chat winner. Hidden Harvest was the winner, and I asked them to send me an email, and I haven't heard anything from them, nor can I confirm that they are a subscriber to my channel. So it's kind of funny. I suspected this might happen, so I went ahead and chose a second runner-up. The second place winner was Mary's Ranch and Wild Cooking. So Mary, please send me an email. I already know that you're a subscriber. You've been with me for a while. You won the $25 gift card from the live chat. Congratulations. I'm going to go ahead and update my pinned comment to reflect any changes. I want to say thank you so much for all the gifts that I have gotten these last several days. This is just truly awesome, and I am feeling absolutely and totally blessed. Thank you all. I have a few more things that I want to do today. I'm going to get out here with my hose and water everything down real good. Make sure everything's nice and moist, including my seeds. But I really don't have anything else planned for today. So this is going to be a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you may have learned something. You guys have a great day.